shop sometime. Pretty big farm truck doesn't allow that ever. Gonna roll up there and double bulb Asian or farm truck. If anybody's got $500,000, you can probably buy that Lambo. And if anybody's got $28, you can buy that farm truck. Farm truck uses all 660 feet. Trying to cross the center line, he does get there first. Nothing like